ask if I be graduate. I be graduate now, graduate of chemical engineering.
It's a lie.
Yes, sir.
Are you kidding me?
Yes, sir. Abia State University now.
Really?
Yeah. Don't see where we study waiting we practice.
A graduate of chemical engineering, riding a car. You should be working with the NNPC or any of these oil firms.
Madam, the truth is say me I try. You no get where I no find work. Both for Chevron, both for Calabar, both for Akwa Ibom, Ibeno, both for Mobi, both for Port Harcourt, both for Lagos. Lagos so me say I waka so tey my shoe begin pain me. Now I say omo, instead of me today no dey do anything, make I find taxi dey drive, make I no go thief. Na be this job wey you see so.
That's the country for you.
Aimo. Except say na who get person, maybe as you dey so now you fit get person. You no go too suffer.
I wish. It's God I have. It's God that I have, my brother. It's not easy in this country.
No easy, oh.
But God is our strength.
Yes, so person go dey hustle now. You no go because say country bad, you no go hustle. Sorry. Wetin dey do if you enter gallop, you begin do this thing. You fit make I go fix am after this thing.
Okay. Bros!
Don dey reach now, that's all.
Okay.
You wan buy something?
Hi, love. I'm good, thank you. Oh, your flight just landed in Abuja right now. Oh, nice. I'm so happy to hear that. Thank God for Johnny Messages. Missing you already. Okay, my regards to mom and dad. Talk to you later. Love you. Bye, darling. Fellas. Just love you.
Bros. All this energy to open just car door.
Na so I see am. The door dey get small problem, but I go fix am.
So this is what you go through per passenger. Each passenger you do all of this.
Na gallop, I dey enter one big gallop. The thing come seize, but I go do am.
You're suffering yourself.
No vex, mama.
Know where to fix your car door, ah?
Mama, Mama, you sure say no be may I help you carry and go inside?
No, don't worry.
Thank you. Hey, Mama, I beg, 1 minute. No verse, I no go. Mama, now my card. Anytime when you need my service, just call me. Before you dey spare jack, I don't land for your domot.
Complimentary card.
Eh?
This is surprising. I've never seen such a cab man with a complimentary card. This guy over here.
Mama, you know I can't be everywhere at the same time now. So this one had to ease. Say if I did that side, at least my number dey here for people to reach out to me.
Okay, no problem.
I beg anytime make. Mama, yeah, where they put am, just say you no go forget them. If you want go wash clothes now, you go mistakenly soak them for water.
I will not soak it, don't worry. I won't.
Mama, you go forget to abeg go make you just anywhere where you feel just, or maybe if you just put them for this your boss. Maybe for no forget. You know, say waiting person they think too much. This our country, the problem too much.
But I won't forget it.
Better me just put them here. All the numbers they go. Either
No
you call
problem.
this one or you call this one.
If you insist, I will. Down. Okay. Are you okay now?
I don't okay. I don't okay, Mama. Bye, ma. Bye, ma.
Hey, your money.
I don't even forget.
You said 800.
Yes, 800. Thank you, ma.
All right.
Oh, darling, please. A lot has happened.
Jacinta!
Yes?
What is going on? Hey! Good to see you.
Good to see you, my darling. Oh, my word.
Oh, where is everybody? Where are they? Miracle, Louisa.
You're asking as if you don't know your friends again. Okay, Louisa traveled to Abuja with her friend, Senator Briggs. And Miracle's boo invited her for lunch. So they're all out.
And what is my madam doing at home? It's so unlike you.
Okay, I was at the airport with Felix. When you called that you were coming home, he boarded to Abuja. So I have to rush down here to welcome Her Majesty.
See your skin.
What?
You're glowing.
Oh, thank you. So, you're done serving your fatherland.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much. It wasn't easy.
I know.
I'm so
Congrats.
happy. Thank you.
I know you must be hungry, right? Let me go get you something to
You
eat.
just read my mind.
Welcome home. Please,
you.
bring in your bag.
Thank you. I'm so famished. Woo! Finally home. Done with the early morning whistling and waking somebody up. Gosh.
Hey. See the way you're eating this food. Never shop since morning.
Oh, this is so. You know that it's while traveling now.
Yeah, it's true. You always mess yourself up while traveling.
That's true, remind me.
Yes, I remember the last time we traveled together. Do you remember? You threw up 3 consecutive times. You were begging the driver to stop so that you will poo-poo. No. I was the one who picked on your behalf because he couldn't talk out of shame.
You ain't mad. But seriously, girl, after that incident, I swore never to eat while traveling until I get to my destination. Not even water.
So
It was a crazy experience.
So wait. You traveled all the way from Illinois. No water, no food. You dey try oh. I know if you manage your hunger, you know me now. I must eat. But let me ask you, babe, before I forget, how far? Any no cash?
Are you for real?
What do you mean by that? Are you telling me you went to Illinois to serve for the whole year? No shaker, no toaster, no crush. With all this endowment, what are you saying? Why are you the one chasing them away? But I know you. And you can be stingy with
You get mad. Stingy with what? Please.
No, I'm serious. I'm not joking. Other guests will go for you service. Then come back with husband. You went to Illinois for 1 year. All on your own. And you came back here on your own. Come now. Maybe no make sense. See how they eat. You say you come with husband, now you're going to eat like this. Miracle and this Patrick of a guy.
Why that look?
I'm going to miss you.
I will miss you more. You know I love you so much, right?
And I love you very, very much.
I like when you say that. I can't do without you.
I know. I love you. So, I have to go inside and see the girls.
All right. Say me hi to your friends.
I will.
I will call you once I get to office.
Call me.
Of course I will.
Bye, baby.
You know, I like the way the guy is lavishly spending on her. Like every her.
True. Miracle is such a lucky girl.
Yes, she's lucky.
So what's still keeping her?
She will
come
come.
already.
She will come. You two love birds. See my babe! Come on, jump! My babes! My babes! Girl, you are glowing.
Thank you, my love.
Skin.
Popping. Who's your skin plug?
Betty's secret. She's good.
I can see that. Girl, you are glowing.
Thank
you want to blind my eye. What's your skin plug?
Thank you. Oh, babe. I'm so glad that you're here. Welcome.
Thank you.
Have fun, Jacinta.
I did.
How was your day?
Very well. I can see your bag's filled with goodies.
Mm-hmm. You can say that again. Anne, by the way, I saw Desmond and he asked after you.
Who's Desmond?
Patrick's friend. The one that works in the same firm with my guy. And why is she not saying anything?
Because I have nothing to say.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. I am not at the office. I went out to get lunch. Alright, sir. Alright. I'll be at the office in 10 minutes. Alright. On my way already. Alright.
The fact that you lost Andy doesn't mean you can't date another.
Miracle, loved it. You can say that to her again. Anne went to serve in Kwara. 1 year, the whole 1 year. She came back here without a crush. Who does that?
Babe, I know it's not easy. I know that you've been through a lot recently, but you have to allow the dead remain dead and you have to move on. Please.
I gave my all in that relationship. I loved Andy from the deepest part of my heart.
You see why it's not advisable for a lady to love a guy so much.
I am in deep pains, and to only heal with time.
And that's why I'm begging you. I'm pleading, just date another person. Give Desmond a chance. He loves you.
I can never give my heart to Desmond. I'm going to mourn my loss for as long as it lasts.
You're beginning to sound like a broken record.
See, it's time. It's high time you come out of your shell and socialize. The death of Andy is not the end of the world, and life is for the living.
There is no life without Andy. No life. so amazing. We want the best couple in the campus again.
And that is because we deserve it.
Right?
Look, baby. Everyone knows that we are the best. I mean, even the Jambitos. My love. I just want you to know that I will love you today. I will love you tomorrow. And I would love you forever. And nothing is going to stop us. Nothing except death.
No. Stop talking about death. None of us is going to die.
Why are people afraid of talking about death? Why?
Me, most especially. I hate talking about that too. So please stop.
Okay. As my baby wishes. I love you.
I love you too.
Auntie, I never saw your death coming. You died with your dreams and aspiration in life. You died with your dreams of becoming a pilot. You died trying to prove your undying love for me. Those devils got shot your life in your prime. They gruesomely murdered you in cold blood.
This has been so difficult for me. Can you help out?
What is difficult here? All you just need to do is summarize from this point.
Where?
Here.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Didn't take note actually. So, but why does the lecturer keep...
See from here. It says we are not usually the spectators. Huh?
Andy, you saw me standing in front of you with my boys, and then you totally ignored us.
Oh, come on, Sean. What would you have me do? The last I checked, I did not invite you here. So why are you here? Why don't you just leave us alone, my friend?
You see, you can't take what belongs to me and claim that you're my friend. Andy, I am going to warn you for the very last time. Stay away from Annabelle. You heard me clear.
And what are you going to do? Get me down? Sean, take a very good look at me. Do I look like I'm afraid of death? Listen, she's all I've got, and I'm never going to leave her.
Sean, I beg you in whatsoever you hold sacred. Can you leave us alone?
Romeo. Oh yes, you're Romeo. I see you want to die like a chick. I warn you for the very last time. Stay away from Annabelle. Stay away from Annabelle.
There are thousands of girls in this campus, if not millions. Why won't you just pick one, fall in love with that one and stay with the person? Why are you trying to take away what rightfully belongs to me? She is my woman.
I see. Just watch your back, bro. Watch your back. Let's go.
I will never leave you for him.
I don't even want that monster. I don't want him.
Cheer up. Cheer up. So, where did we stop?
Andy, what are we going to do about Sean's daily threats?
Nothing. He's just a toothless barking dog, threatening fire and brimstone. He can do nothing more than a dead rat. He lost once. He's going to lose again.
I don't get it. He lost once. It's just something you're not telling me. Andy, like something I need to know?
Well, during my 100 level in my former school, I contested as the only neutral student against 4 courtiers of different 4-court groups in Mr. Campos.
Mr. Campos?
Yes. I won the contest and was declared the winner. I became Mr. Campos and all hell broke loose. All the Capones craved that I join their court group. I declined. Sean and his court group attacked my room one night. Luckily for me, one of their members who knew their intentions to waste me quickly told me about it and helped me escape.
I get it now.
Since then, Sean swore to take his pound of flesh.
Babe, have you done Chief's assignment?
No.
Why not? Should you know say that man wicked? Try and do it though.
I just bought the textbook this afternoon. I will do it now. I'm not supposed to perform magic. I'll do it.
Why are these lecturers like this? Why will a lecturer insist that his students must buy his textbook? Else, even if they pass, even if they do it, though, he will not accept it. He will still fail them. Why?
That is it
good
now. Me, since he's insisting that we must buy his textbook and do the assignments from that textbook, he should allow us to get the money first now. Eh? Let's get the money to buy the textbook. You should calm down.
If I overcome this course with credit, this chief course, if I overcome am with credit, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay, you want credit?
Yes.
Okay. Me na pass I want.
Pass.
Yes. If I overcome and will pass, I'm okay. I cannot come and kill myself because of psychology education.
Me, I'm praying for nothing less than credit, because with God on my side, I will graduate with second class upper.
Okay. Me, I don't need the certificate.
Why?
I don't need it for anything. I want to go into importing business.
Oh.
Yes. And I know that by the time I'm done with my youth service, I should be married with either Felix or Collins. And then I'll continue with my importation business. Yes. Why are you laughing? What is funny?
Wait. You have planned out your life already. So,
they're mad. You're crazy. Why you start me, man?
No, one question. Who have you decided to marry? Have you decided?
Is it mean between both of them?
Yes.
First come, first serve.
Oh.
Anyone that proposed first
Oh my.
will be my husband. That's my plan. My problem is I don't know why they laugh at me. Like you don't know, you don't like my plans.
No,
My future is so amazing.
Oh my God. You never feel past ordinary psychological education. You want to do importation business.
I will shock you. By the time I marry. Oh God.
I'm kind of confused. You did say you're then school. So what are you both doing here again?
After I left, I wrote jump again.
What?
And when he got wind of what happened, he left too and enrolled for pre-science here.
Goodness me. So he got into this university and became a capon again?
Well, I heard his father is a very influential man.
Now I understand his personal enmity towards you. This is your final. And he wants you to leave the school again for him.
That is not going to happen. I am going to graduate from this school, come rain or sunshine.
This is a serious temptation.
Just relax. Nothing is going to happen.
Andy, I think we should report him to the school authority or police officers.
Did you not hear what I just told you? His father is very, very influential in this country.
So because of that, Sean cannot be arrested or what? Let's report him to the police. They can get him to swear an undertaking.
You may be right. This guy cannot be arrested. Arrest him today and watch him get released tomorrow.
Are you kidding me?
That is what it is.
At this point, I don't know what to do anymore. At this point, I don't even know what to do about this Sean guy anymore.
If you ask me, I think Sean should be arrested.
Yes.
Yes. Because you never can tell what his plans are.
Sean needs to be stopped. Else he will do something crazy.
Those Scotties are heartless. Human lives means nothing to them.
You know, I actually suggested this exact thing you said to Andy. Guess what he did?
What?
He bluffed it off. And went ahead to say that Sean's father is very wealthy and influential. And Sean cannot be arrested. Yes. But even if the police gets him arrested today, be rest assured that within the next 24 hours, he's out of cell.
Yeah.
This is more serious than we thought.
Yes. I suggest you guys tread with caution. Avoid late night classes. Try to avoid each other for a while. Stop being seen everywhere in the campus. I think that will help.
Yes, Jacinta is right. I feel seeing both of you together might trigger his jealousy.
And that might also trigger him to harm both of you. That's dangerous.
I love Andy so much. So much that I cannot even imagine myself loving another. Let alone loving that cultist. Never.
Just be careful.
I'd rather die than have anything to do with that monster.
You guys should be careful, that's all.
My love, have you not been sleeping?
No. I can't sleep. I've been thinking.
Thinking? What are you thinking about?
Babe. Babe, look, I think we should stay away from each other, at least for now.
What are you getting at? You want to break up with me, I guess.
No. Babe, understand me. You know you're in your finals, and I really want you to finish and graduate without any harm. You are the only child of your parents. If anything happens to you, your parents will be childless.
Oh, stop telling me that cock and bull story. I should have known that girls cannot be trusted.
Can you please calm down and understand me?
What do you want me to understand? You want to break up with me so you can be with Sean. Is that not?
I am not breaking up with you. Can you just calm down? Please. Let's do this thing for us. These guys are deadly, and you know it. Babe, come on. I love you so much. I'm pretty sure you're aware of that.
Annabelle, I have to go now.
Goodness me. I'm doing this for him. But he's failed to understand me.
What was the meaning of that trash that came out of your mouth last night?
My love, I mean well for us. I don't want to die. And I don't want to lose you either. You see that guy, Sean? He's not someone you take his threat as nothing.
To hell with him. What makes you think I'm afraid of him?
Listen, babe. I just want us to stay away from each other for a while.
I can't live without you, Annabelle. I can't.
Auntie, would you rather risk your life?
Yes. Life itself is a risk.
Listen, all I want is for us to leave this university alive. You just have 3 months to be here, and then you will graduate. Please, can we just stay at least apart for the 3 months? Just 3 months.
Something tells me you are trying to leave me for Sean.
Can you stop? Can you stop? You keep saying this same thing. What do you want to piss me off? Why are you saying such to me?
Excuse me.
Anything to make you stay alive. For yourself and your aged parents. I'll do it.
Hey. Annabelle, fine girl. Annabelle, I sent for you during the day and I see that you refused to see me. Okay, I understand. And I also see that you told Andy to stay away from you for the meantime. I know that you don't want him to lose his life.
Who told you that?
Annabelle, you don't know who I am and certainly what I can do. But good thing you told him, at least you reminded him that he has like 3 months to stay in this camp, but otherwise
Yes, no.
he will be dead.
Sean, what do you want from us?
This is simple. I want a relationship with you. I like you. That's all I ever wanted.
I can never be your girl.
Okay.
Look, Sean, Andy is the one for me. We've been together since my year 1 in this school. So, I love him very much. With everything in me.
That's Romeo and Juliet. Okay.
Love.
2 lovebirds. I see that. Okay, I just want to advise you so that the both of you will remain alive. Okay? Do what's best for you. Let's go.
Sean, I beg in the name of God, leave us alone. Leave us alone.
How can I do that? I love you.
Do what's best for you. Thank you.
Let me be now.
Shut the fuck up.
Yes.
Jesus, what happened to him? Oh my God. I know him.
Is this guy here?
Yes,
Jesus,
oh my God.
What happened to him?
This guy's very nice.
Don't you see?
What did they say to this? What did they say? Stop hearing what I'm saying. I can't believe what I'm saying. And keep trying, don't be worried. Just Jacinta. Jacinta, okay. Hello, Jacinta. Yes? What's going on? Have you seen Andy? I've been calling his phone, he's not picking his calls. Don't tell me to calm down. Have you seen Andy? I keep calling him, he's not picking his calls. Where is he? Have you seen him? I should be coming where? Jacinta, are you okay? Why are you sounding that way? What did she say? I should come to ERS.
It took away my envy from me. The only man my heart beats for is gone forever. This life goes on for the living.
Chukwemeka.
Mama.
You are here. This one you came in unannounced. What happened?
Emmy, you don't look happy. Is anything the matter?
Are you done with your exams? You said your exams will start on Monday. So why are you here?
Yes, the exam is going to start on Monday.
You would have stayed back. And prepare yourself, read your book. Remember what I told you. I want you to come out in flying colors. With first class upper. Nothing less.
Emeka. Did anything happen? You don't look, you are too moody. What is happening?
I'm not fine.
Now what is wrong with you? What
is the problem?
I just came to inform you people that I will not be writing that final exam. I don't want to write it.
Is that a joke? Why? Talk to me. Tell me the reason. Why would you spend money and you will not write your final exam? Talk to me.
I am not going back to that school. I don't want to go back.
Chukwuemeka, are you insane? Are you sure you are okay? How can you say you are no longer going to that school? Eh? After spending how many years? It only remains 2 weeks for you to graduate. And you are saying you don't want to take the exam. For what?
What is going on? Chukwuemeka, were you rusticated from school?
Papa, I was not rusticated. I just don't want to go back to that school.
Listen, my son. You are all we have. No brother, no sister anywhere. We worked all our life to send you to school so that you can have a good life. What have we not done for you? What is the problem? If there's anything happening, you let us know. Have you started smoking in the AM?
I don't smoke Indian hemp. All I just want you people to understand is that I am done with that school and I will not be going back. That is final.
Shimo. Chukwuemeka. Chukwuemeka. Hey! Eh? Chukwuemeka na chokwa ilapotam. What is the meaning of this? Hey!
Is it ringing? No. I'm not too sure about the network in that village.
Just keep trying it. It will go. Let's try it again.
I don't just understand our son. The way he behaves lately. I wonder what is wrong with him.
You worry too much. He's a big boy now. Don't do campus life. Yeah, don't bother. He will be fine. It's always like that with the youths.
I don't understand though.
Don't bother yourself. It's no longer.
Who is calling you?
Chukwuemeka is calling me.
Are you sure?
Whose number and name is there?
But he's inside now.
Why would somebody that's inside be calling me? Why?
Pick it now.
I will not go and call him.
No, I suggest you pick the call first since he is inside and he just called. Pick. Let's find out why he's calling.
Hello, Chukwuemeka. Why are you calling me?
Papa, good afternoon. It's not Chukwuemeka, it's Anne's friend, Miracle.
Miracle, Anna's best friend. Chukwuemeka left his phone in the city and came back home.
Papa, I don't understand. Papa, I don't understand what you're saying. I called because I have something to tell you. Papa. Chukwuemeka is dead.
Is that a joke? My son that is in my house in the village now, healthy, okay, and you are talking who caught people, shot who? It's not my son.
He was shot by some cult boys in school today.
If it's a joke, just stop it. That's my only son. Stop that nonsense. What is he talking? What is she talking about?
Who was that?
Miracle, I have a friend. Say that some court boy shot Chukwuemeka. That Chukwuemeka is dead.
Our son that is
in. What kind of joke is that?
I'm so happy for today.
I am very, very happy. I am overwhelmed with joy.
You can say that again, babes. Serves them right for all the evil they did against humanity. They paid dearly for it, and I'm excited about it.
If anyone had told Sean that a day like this, him and his boys will be sentenced to death by hanging. Would you have believed?
Never. But that serves them right. This will serve as a lesson to other cultists in our school and other campuses. What nonsense. And you know that cultists in different campuses right now will be on the run, on the very long run. You know why? Because they've made life miserable. They've infused fear in the lives of lecturers and students, people that came here to better their tomorrow.
Nobody liked them.